Good morning, students. We already know how to solve additions and subtractions word problems. Today, we will learn how to represent information given in the problem with the statement when we solve it. Shall we begin? What is a word problem? We already know that a word problem is a few sentences describing a real life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by way of a mathematical calculation. Do you know how to solve a word problem? Steps to solve a word problem. 1. Read the question carefully. 2. Identify the problem. 3. To know what to write as statements. 4. Solve the problem. Let us move to word problem. Solve the following word problems. It is given in your textbook on page number 34. Question number 1. The population of city A is 41,22,459. The population of city B is 25,225 more than the population of city A. What is the population of city B? Here we know that the population of city A is 41,22,459. We have to find that the population of city B and the given problem belongs addition. To solve the problem, we have to make the statements or steps. The first statement is that the population of city A is 41,22,459. Second statement, the population of city B is equal to 41,22,459 plus 25,225. Here we have to add these two numbers. 41,22,459 plus 25,225. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Write here 4 and 1 is the carry. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. Here only 2 digits are remaining. Write down the digit 1 and 4. So your answer is 684 is the population of city B. Question number 2. Rohit owns a house worth rupees 99,25,000. Mohit purchases a house for rupees 1,22,55,671. Whose house is expensive and by how much? Here we know that the cost of Rohit's house is rupees 99,25,000. The cost of Mohit's house is rupees 1,22,55,671 and the given problem belongs to subtraction. To solve the problem, we have to make the statement or steps. The first statement is that cost of Rohit's house is equal to rupees 99,25,000. Second statement, cost of Mohit's house is equal to rupees 1,22,55,671. Here Mohit's house is most expensive. The expensive home is equal to rupees 1,22,55,671 minus rupees 99,25,000. Here we have to subtract these two numbers. 1 minus 0 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. We cannot subtract 9 from 2, so you have to borrow 1. Then here will be 12. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. And here only 1 is remaining. We cannot subtract 9 from 1. You can borrow 1. Then here will be 11. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Then answer is rupees 23,30,671. Therefore, Mohit's house is expensive than Rohit's house by rupees 23,30,671. Question number 3. A vegetable seller sold 13,41,600 apples, 10,11,560 oranges and 9,56,031 mangoes in a year. How many fruits did he sell in all? Here we have to write the statements. The first statement is that number of apples sold by a vegetable seller is equal to 13,41,600. Statement 2. Number of oranges sold by him is equal to 10,11,560. Statement 3. Number of mangoes sold by him is equal to 9,56,031. Statement 4. Total number of fruits sold by him is equal to 13,41,600 plus 10,11,560 plus 9,56,031. After adding, you will get the answer 33,09,191. Homework exercise 2B, page number 34. D and E you have to write as the homework. Please write in your copy.